Do your days ever feel kind of messy, like you're doing a lot but not really getting things done? Yeah, same. That's where Notion comes in. With just a few clicks, you can turn Notion into your own clean, easy-to-use daily planner that actually helps you stay on track. Before we jump in, hit subscribe so you never miss simple, helpful tutorials like this. All right, let's turn your chaos into a calm, organized day. Step 1. Open Notion and create a new page. Once you're in Notion, hit plus new page on the sidebar. Name it something like Daily Planner or Today's Plan, whatever feels good. You can also add a little emoji like sun with face or calendar to make it look fun. Step 2. Add a heading for the day. Type /heading 1 and write something like tear off calendar Thursday, May 15th, 2025. This helps you track your days clearly. You can also duplicate this page every day and just update the date. Easy. Step 3. Add a to-do list. Now type /to-do and start writing your tasks. Wake up early. Finish homework. Go for a walk. Watch one YouTube video on productivity winking face. Hit enter to add more checkboxes. It feels so good checking them off as you go. Step 4. Break your day into sections. Want to organize your day better? Add time blocks or categories. Here's how. Type morning, eat breakfast. Review today's plan. Afternoon, school or work. Break plus snack. Evening, finish leftover tasks. Free time or family time. Plan tomorrow. You can even use /divider to add clean lines between sections. It looks super neat. Step 5. Add a mini journal optional. Want to write down how your day went or what you're grateful for? Just type /toggle list and name it Notebook Daily Notes. Then click to open and write inside it. Keeps everything in one place. Bonus tip, make a template. If you want to use the same layout every day, click the 3 dots at the top right of your page. Choose Template button, name it Daily Planner Template, and paste your full layout inside. Now you just click once and your new day is ready to go. And just like that, you've got your own digital daily planner inside Notion. It's simple, it works, and best of all, it's totally free. If this helped you feel a little more organized, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized tech tutorials. See you tomorrow in your new planner.